If you're thinking about renting out your home, you want to make sure that you're standing out of a crowded field. You want to make sure that you're casting as big of a net as possible to find a great quality applicant for your home. We all know in the property management field, if we can get a good tenant into the property, it's going to make our lives a lot easier. So there are a few things that you can do. Number one, make sure that you're doing the minor repairs, that you're getting it nice and clean, so that when the tenant comes through, it's a well-maintained property, it's a clean property, it smells good, it makes them want to go ahead and live there. And the more you can do on that, the more you're going to have quality applicants for your property. Number two, you've got a good product, you need to be able to have a good marketing campaign that really puts its best foot forward. You need to have good quality photos, make sure the lights are on, make sure that it's not crooked. I see it all the time, really bad photos of properties, and it drives me nuts. So make sure you're doing those things. Pick up the room if it's occupied. Make sure that front photo is really good quality. You know, that's going to be a determinative factor for people. If they're going to apply for your house or click on it to get more information, they're going to see that front photo, they're going to see bedroom, bathroom, they're going to see price. We don't want to lower our price, can't change the bedroom, bathroom. We can make sure that we have a good quality photo, making it attractive for people. Then when you've done those things, you're going to have a lot of inquiries. So you want to make sure that you're getting people into the property, they're easy for them to schedule showings, they can have questions answered from you. So you have to have good systems in place for that. If you have any questions about property management, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks.